the new Telesin Multifunctional Battery Case with 2 stamina batteries for Hero 11 and Hero 12. The price is $50 or 3,000 pesos. It can hold 3 GoPro batteries. It can also charge 3 GoPro batteries at the same time. It has a battery indicator, so you will be able to monitor the level of your battery. It can also hold 2 MicroSD. Just remove the battery and put your 2 MicroSD in the upper cover. This case is handy and useful, especially when you're traveling and vlogging outdoors. This is one of the best case, charger, and organizer that you must have if you're using a GoPro.